Inventories from zero. Lesson 1. What is inventory and who needs it? Welcome to the Inventories from Zero series. In this first lesson, we will answer a fundamental question. What is inventory and who actually needs it? The answer is simple, but powerful. Every organization manages inventory. It doesn't matter if we're talking about a factory, a hospital, a retail store, a school, or a corporate office building. If an organization buys, stores, and uses resources to operate, then it has inventory. When most people think about inventory, they imagine large warehouses filled with products. But the concept is much broader and far more strategic. Inventory includes raw materials, work-in-process items, supplies used in daily operations, finished goods ready for delivery. In other words, inventory is anything an organization keeps on hand in order to operate. Inventory can be very simple. For example, a bottle of glass cleaner used by the cleaning staff in an office building. It is not sold to customers, but it was purchased, stored, and consumed. That alone makes it inventory. But inventory can also be highly complex. In a manufacturing environment, inventory includes raw materials, components, and sub-assemblies that move through multiple production stages before becoming a finished product. From basic supplies to complex industrial systems, inventory exists everywhere. Its primary role is to ensure operational continuity and allow organizations to deliver value to customers without interruption. Inventory is not an accident, it is not a mistake, and it is not poor management by default. Inventory is a deliberate response to uncertainty, variability, and the need for stability in operations. Understanding what inventory is and why it exists is the first step toward managing it effectively. In the next lesson, we will explore why companies intentionally hold inventory and what operational and financial problems inventory is designed to solve. Inventory is not just stored products. It is the invisible foundation that keeps operations running. Remember, I am Engineer Javier Martinez, and see you in the next lesson.